Poor shooting conditions often lead to blurry video footage. Video noise is one factor that affects video quality. Today, we'll reveal how to remove video noise and breathe new life into your video. We'll introduce 3 powerful tools: Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and the convenient AI tool VidHex Video Enhancer. Let's move on. First, let's look at the Adobe suite. If you're an Adobe Creative Cloud user, both Premiere Pro and After Effects will be powerful allies. Step 1. Import your noisy video into the software and create a new composition from it. Step 2. Go to the Effects panel, search for effects under Video Effects greater than Noise and Grain. There will be median, VR denoise, and third-party plugins to apply different denoising effects to your footage. Choose the proper one. Step 3. Select your clip on the timeline and go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust effect settings. Step 4. Play back your footage to see the effect. You can zoom in on noisy areas for a deep check. While Adobe applications provide the capability to reduce video noise, their native tools can be limiting in terms of power, efficiency, and intelligence compared to specialized alternatives, often requiring users to invest in third-party plugins or significant manual effort for optimal results. Additionally, Adobe's noise reduction blurs the original video, significantly reducing its clarity. If you find professional software too complex or your computer's specs aren't powerful enough, then AI tools are your savior. We recommend VidHex Video Enhancer. It's AI software specifically designed for video enhancement. VidHex's video denoiser feature boasts powerful and diverse AI models capable of precisely calculating and effectively erasing both picture blur and annoying graininess. It doesn't merely blur out noise, instead, it intelligently identifies and reconstructs picture details, ensuring your video remains sharp and clear even after noise removal. What's even better is that VidHex isn't just skilled at noise reduction. It can also automatically balance video brightness, contrast, and saturation, making the colors in your denoised footage look more natural and true to life, avoiding the washed out or detail loss effects that traditional noise reduction can cause. Step 1. Launch VidHex and drag your footage file into the interface. Or you can hit the click or drag and drop files as here button. Step 2. On the editing screen, select the video denoise model on the right side. Hit it and click preview to see and compare the effects. Step 3. Confirm your settings by clicking the Export Full Video button to export the result file to your file folder. Easy to use with one-click operation, natural AI effects, and it has low hardware requirements while offering cloud acceleration. If you're new to video editing, you definitely shouldn't miss out on third-party software like this. DaVinci Resolve offers some of the most powerful and effective noise reduction tools, even in its free version. The process primarily happens on the color page and involves balancing temporal and spatial noise reduction. Step 1. Set up your timeline. Create a project and import the videos you want to remove noise from. Go to File greater than Import greater than Media, then drag the video footage from the media pool to the timeline. Step 2. Apply noise reduction. Open FX. Go to the Edit page. You can also press Shift+4 to enter it. Open the effects library by clicking on the magic wand icon in the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve. Select Open FX and scroll down until you find the Resolve FX Revival category. There, you should see the noise reduction effect. To apply the effect by dragging and drop the effect into the video clip. Step 3. Resolve FX Sharpen to add sharpness to your video. You can apply any sharpening effect you prefer. You'll see the Resolve FX Sharpen when you scroll down in your effects library below Noise Reduction. Drag and drop the Sharpen effect onto the clip and adjust its settings in the inspector. Adjust the sharpened amount and detail levels. This tool is highly resource-intensive, demanding powerful hardware and increasing render times. Achieving optimal results requires a steep learning curve to master its numerous parameters, and there's a constant risk of detail loss or introducing artifacts if over-applied. What's more, the processing results from the free version come with a full-screen watermark, which is very uneconomical for users who only have a one-time noise reduction need. Alright, that's the summary of the pros and cons for the 3 tools in this video, which should help you make a better choice for your noise reduction needs. Alright, That wraps up everything about how to remove video noise today. Whether you're a post-production pro or just a casual user looking for better video quality, there's definitely a tool out there for you. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. If you have any other video processing tips or questions about these tools, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.